Question 1. Gardener is designing a new garden. He uses a coordinate grid to show the position of the plants and trees. He has started to create a plan of his own for one of his customers, and the table below shows the items that are to be put in the garden. So you can see the wooden table and chairs, the fountain, the flowering shrubs, the large trees, the winter garden, and the flowering tree. This is actually the key that we're going to need for the next page. A says, what are the coordinates of the fountain? Now from the key over, we could see that the fountain looks like this. So this is the fountain and its coordinate is 4, 3. So here we need to find 4, 3, which is that one there, and circle it. Part B. The gardener is going to place the wooden table and chairs at A, -1, 2. So we go -1, 2. So here, we'd stick an A. That is where he's going to put his wooden chairs. Table and chairs. Next one is for the flowering shrubs. And they're saying label it B at 1, 0. So across to 1 and then not anywhere. So that is B. So you get 1 mark for labelling. Put an A there and B there and labelling them. C. The lawn in the diagram is a rectangle. It has length 4.5 and it has a width of 3 meters. What unit should we use for the area of the lawn? Now, hopefully, you would, when you look through, you'll go, well, meters is a length, centimeters is a length, meters squared is a area, meters cubed is a volume, and yards is a length. So meters squared is the only one that is actually an area, so that's the one you're going to circle. And obviously, you've got meters is your unit, so that works. And then what is the area of the lawn? Now, area of a rectangle equals length times width. We're told the length is 4.5, the width is 3, so 4.5 times 3. 0.5 times 3 is 1.5, so put the 5 down, carry the 1. 4 3s are 12 plus the 1, 13, and that would be meters squared. 1 mark for getting 13.5, 1 for the right of the meters squared. D. That's quite a long question. The gardener has a stack of bricks to build a barbecue, and the stack is going to be 154 centimetres high. Each layer of bricks has this pattern shown, so this is what they're going to put in each layer. The thickness of one brick is 7 centimetres. How many bricks are there stacked all together? Now, there's obviously going to be quite a few different ways of solving this question. What I'm going to do is look at how many stacks like the one we see here could we get. So how many of these layers are going to fit? Well, if it's 154 centimetres high and each layer is going to be 7 centimetres, so we're going to work number of layers equals 154 divided by 7. So I'm going to use the bus stop method. How many 7s go into 1? They don't. 0 down, carry the 1. How many 7s in 15? 2 down, carry the 1. How many 7s in 14? 2. So there's going to be 22 layers of these bricks. And in each layer there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 bricks in each layer. So 8 bricks in each layer. There are 22 layers in total. So the question is asking me to do 8 lots of 22. We're multiplying, so I'm going to do the grid method. 20 and 2 and 8. 8 times 20 is 160. 8 times 2 is 16. Add them together. 160 add 16 is 176 bricks. And that is the answer to the question.